So we have Saif from WD, and we'll be talking about the new products and solutions they are showcasing at GITEX 2021. So thank you, Saif, for speaking to us.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Thank you. So it's been the third day. How's the experience been so far at GITEX?
So it's quite early on the third day, but it's already been tiring.
Okay.
I think so. After many years, we've had this volume of response in GITEX. I think so. A lot of thoughts were kept back due to the pandemic. People wanted to be out and about, shake hands, meet the people. But I think so. The best thing about this GITEX is that, in spite of all the regulations, people coming, mingling, and meeting, the authorities have been able to curtail, keep the rules in place of as much distancing, masks, sanitization, and all these things. So it's a very healthy, it's a very good surprise to be in GITEX.
So this year at GITEX, what are the solutions and products you're focusing on?
So for us, it's always an ongoing quest and a challenge that we need to keep on coming up with better and better. So the biggest challenge is how do we better perfection on the existing range of products. So this year we are showcasing more higher capacities, both from a consumer product perspective as well as on the enterprise side. We have enhanced our security and surveillance products on the Purple by newer capacities. That's been there. And as well as the new technologies we have launched around how to write the data to capture more capacity in that same footprint. So all these gamut of products are there with our partners across GITEX this year.
Okay. On the consumer level, you also have the new Elements SE SSD range of products. What is the target audience for that, and how's the demand been for that product?
So there's been a big shift when it comes to external storage. So we took that internal non-mechanized way of storing data in our flash products into an external storage. So we already had our SanDisk range of external storage products around SSDs. We had a WD range of products. But we always felt that there was a segment who did not need all those extra softwares, the bells and whistles which we were giving with those devices. So with that spectrum, we came out with the Element SSD, external SSD, which is a great dumping ground for all your data.
Okay.
So that's our target audience around that product.
Okay. And you also have the SanDisk Professional range as well. So can you tell us what kind of products are going to be in that particular range?
So we are very excited around the SanDisk Professional range of products. This is a range which directly fulfills the needs of the media enthusiasts, the people who are into media, entertainment, creating content, and who want that cutting edge speed as well as reliability.
Okay.
So that's where we are coming out with this range of products. It's going to be available in your detachable portable devices as well as your network attached storage devices, portable devices which can take up to petabytes of storage and portable for you to carry with you. So these are for the off-site video content creators, movie makers, and those sorts of things where you do the shooting off-site. But because you're doing it in a digital format, you need to offload your content. You need to start working on the rendering. So you want something which has the speed to keep up with the capturing.
Okay. You also briefly spoke about the Purple drives, which is the surveillance range of products. You also have a separate range for gaming and NAS drives as well. Can you tell us if there has been any new additions to this, and what kind of demand have you seen over the past couple of years for these drives?
So there has been an addition of one product in the black range which is giving us sleepless nights because the demand is so much that we are just churning it in and out to fulfill the demand, which is the SN850. It's an internal storage device around the NVMe platform. It comes up to 2 terabytes of space, and because it has the heatsink in it, it is the most, I would say, propagated, recommended, not only by us but the gamers themselves when it comes to upgrading the PS5 gaming consoles as well as assembling your PC rigs. So it's just because it's a Gen 4 technology, so with all the latest motherboards, processors, and the performance is really outstanding. So because there is no direct competition in terms of performance, the heat which is precipitated, and what a true gamer can do with that device. That's been the excellent thing. Plus, we have also come out with our gaming dock.
Okay.
It comes with storage inbuilt. So a typical gamer can connect all their gaming devices, whether it be a handheld device or a PC, through one dock, which has 2 terabyte of storage as well. So he needs to do away with how do I connect so many USB ports, I need a lightning port, I need more power adapters. So everything is done away with that gaming dock. So likewise, we tend to understand with the gamers what are their pain points and keep on coming up how to better the experiences, whether being a console gamer, a handheld gamer, or a PC gamer.
In terms of WD as a whole and SanDisk, what sort of regional strategies are you looking at over the past couple of months or maybe the next year? What is the outlook towards the storage industry?
So prior to GITEX, our outlook was how to reach the customers better, how to be within their hands length. The product should be available. In the last 3 days, I think so the outlook has slightly changed, because wherever you see in GITEX, it's all about data. Everyone is showcasing their artificial intelligence, their Internet of Things, machine learnings, autonomous driving. At the back of all these things is data. And it gives more responsibility on us to make sure that they can turn that data into information. Because that data is useless if you cannot derive any information from it. So now we are getting more conscious of the needs that yes, we need to be bringing out our roadmap as soon as possible. Like we just launched our 20 terabyte drive based on a new technology. That's just the beginning of that technology. But that gives us the confidence after looking at the other vendors, what they're doing, that yes, we are on the right path. And we don't need to think about competition or anything. It just needs to be that we need to be fulfilling the needs of the consumer, of the other vendors, of the other corporates who are creating an enormous amount of data, to make sure that we are there with them for them to use that data.
Thank you, Saif, for once again for speaking to us. It was nice catching up with you after a very long time.
Yeah.
And we look forward to speaking to you again in the
It's
future.
been a pleasure.
Thank you.
We had been meeting online, but physically it was a great pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.